if you're running iOS 11.3, you may have had some screen issues where the screen was kind of failing to work correctly. They say in the latest iOS release it'll fix the problem. So on my iPhone SE, actually, I was having issues where the buttons would become unresponsive, or actually just clicking on it might click other buttons. But after the update to 11.31, it fixed my iPhone SE. They said that the update was mainly for iPhone 8s, but I think it may fix other phones, other versions of an Apple phone. So if it definitely made my iPhone SE work a lot better. So if you own a non-genuine replacement display, this may fix your problem. This display actually is supposedly an OEM screen, but who knows?